Your stopover in Switzerland. Whatever your next destination is, you can now discover Switzerland on your way there. Break up your journey and extend your stopover in Switzerland by 1 to 4 nights before flying with Swiss International Airlines to your final destination. No matter what you prefer, there's a package for you. Because Switzerland is so small, you can get to know some of the most iconic sites in one visit, even if you have only a few days to spare. How does it work? Choose a package, including accommodation in a 3 to 5-star hotel and a pass for Switzerland's excellent public transportation. It will get you anywhere within a few hours by train, bus, or boat. No matter what you go for, you'll arrive relaxed and on time. 'Cause Switzerland runs like clockwork. Done? Well, it gets even better. Every package comes with a Swiss coupon pass, your key to saving on Switzerland's top attractions. So, ready for an unforgettable trip to Switzerland and the most thrilling stopover of your life? Book directly on swiss.com/stopover or ask your travel agency about Stopover Switzerland.